Hello everyone. We'll be finishing the chapter The Lost Child today. Earlier, as I have given the summary, this chapter is about a child who gets separated from the parents while going and moving around in the fair, and he wanted n number of things, but he was not provided with the same. His parents did not allow to have him the things that he wanted to have. Later on, when he gets separated from his parents, a stranger comes to his help and he tries to give him everything. He tries to offer him everything just to console him and calm him down, but he does not accept any of the things because he just wanted to have his parents. We have already seen this. A quick revision. We won't be reading the lines here, but quickly we'll be revising what all has happened. Till here, page number 3, we have seen that the child, he wanted to have a ride in the roundabout, and when he turned around and he found that his parents were not there, he understood that his parents and he himself were separated, and then he starts crying. Here, after this incident takes place, he just tries to find his parents and he keeps on crying. Tears keep rolling down from his eyes, but he could not find his parents and he did not know what to do. At the same time, he tries to move to the places where there were people gathering, there were crowds of people. So he first of all went to a temple where he saw many people. A shrine here means a temple. He saw that many people were gathering there and he thought that his parents might be there. And so he starts moving towards that place. But going there, it was a very messy area and he was even about to get crushed under the legs of the people, but he gets saved because a man came to his help over there. He heard his cries and he came to rescue him. Later on, he tried to ask this child whose baby he was, but because he was continuously crying, he could not answer his question, and the stranger tried to console him. First of all, he tried to make sure that he first be given the things that he might feel attracted towards, that is like the garland. He might get interested in listening to the music of the snake charmer. He might like to eat sweets. All these things were offered by the stranger to him so that he might be calm and then he might be able to answer his questions. But it does not happen. Even at the last, at the end of the chapter, here we can see that the balloon also was being offered by the stranger to this boy, but he did not accept the balloon. He just kept on crying that he wanted his parents. At the end, the thing that he wanted, that was a ride in the roundabout, he was offered to have one, but he still denied that and he just wanted to have his parents. Here this chapter ends. There is nothing more in this chapter. It only has 2 phases. Actually, we can divide it into 3 phases. The first phase is when the child, he was along with his parents going into the fair. So we just need to remember the things, what all things he had seen before entering the fair, and then what all things he wanted to have after entering the fair. And the third phase can be divided as what all things he were offered and he denied. So these are the 3 parts in which this chapter can be divided. With this, we end this chapter, and in the next session we'll be beginning with the poem. I hope this chapter is very much clear. Thank you.